Hey folks, welcome back to this video, and what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is how important it is to use Instagram influencers if you're looking to grow a brand for longevity purposes. So if you're looking to grow your brand 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the road, and you want it to be self-sustained, that to where you don't have to rely on any traffic source or any type of paid traffic source in order for your business to continue to grow over time. If you are just now landing on this video, I've created a series dedicated to Shopify and e-commerce for beginners. Now, this is only a face-to-face video series. I've also have a tutorial-based training that I have in the description of this video as well. That goes through, and I actually go on my computer. You can see my screen on different topics like setting up your e-commerce store, how I create my funnels, different things like that, in order to help you with your e-commerce business. But today, folks, what I really wanted to cover is, again, Instagram influencers and how important it is. Now, up until this point, you probably been using Facebook ads to market your business, and it's great. It will help you to build your brand significantly. It will help you to make those 10K days, 20K days, 30K days, 40K days, and it is very consistent in terms of the revenue that comes in every day. It's pretty predictable on a day-to-day basis if you got everything lined up and in order. But the only thing that it doesn't provide, from my experience, is, and I'm saying this because just to be truthful and transparent. When I built a brand on Facebook, okay, I actually have 100K followers on Facebook. What's happening to my fan pages is that if I wanted to use it to grow my organic reach on Facebook, it's as if I have a Facebook full of nobodies on that fan page, okay? And I say that because whenever I do post on that page, I hardly reach anybody. And obviously through that, just not a whole lot of people seeing my content. Okay, so in terms of reach and deciding to grow your brand on Facebook, I decided to move away from building my brand on Facebook, but I do use Facebook to in terms of building my revenue up and consistent sales in my business every single day, reaching high numbers. All of that is possible through Facebook ads. However, if you want to build a brand long term with the reach that's involved, where you get to reach significantly higher levels of people, Instagram is the way to go. Because if you're doing Instagram influencer marketing, first of all, you should not be building this e-commerce business just as a side gig or a side thing. This could be a millions of dollars per year in income for you if you just decide to build it right, and you're in this for the long haul. So when you're using Instagram influencers, the thing about it is that all these influencers are sending it's the best type of traffic you can get, because somebody's literally endorsing your product and endorsing your brand, which helps you to get credibility with the people who do decide to go over to your Instagram account, follow you, look at your content, visit your website. The percentage of buyers is going to be higher. Just so many different benefits from it. The thing about it is over time, as you consistently get Instagram influencers to do shout outs for your products, your services, and for your brand, your following is going to continue to grow. And as you post more content on that Instagram account that you have, your followers are going to continue to grow organically. Okay, and that's the thing that you're not getting on Facebook, is the organic reach and the organic growth of your Instagram account on Instagram, because of these influencers, and because you've got all these people who are coming over and following you. They're hardcore followers. Your product's been endorsed, therefore these people are hardcore followers of yours, and they're gonna like your post, they're gonna share your content, they're gonna comment, and they're gonna help you to grow your account just by engaging with your content. And so over time, your followers are gonna grow, and anytime that you say that you have a special promo going on, or whatever product you're getting ready to launch, you can launch it on Instagram and make thousands of dollars just by posting information right on your Instagram account. And that's what is so powerful about it. If you're looking to grow an Instagram brand, a brand using Instagram, okay, it's the future. And literally it can funnel any other project. Once you get big enough, it can funnel any other social media platform that does come out in the future. You know, like you can have Snapchats go, you know, have people subscribe to your Snapchat, and you can reach out to people that way. You can do Instagram stories. People may also reach out to you to get, you know, as an influencer, for you to promote their product. So it's many different ways that you can make money with Instagram, and also build your brand, especially if you have an e-commerce store. Even if you're just like a regular person who wants to grow their brand and you do something special, you have some type of talent and you want to grow, Instagram is the way to go. So anyways, with all that being said, I know I gave you a mouthful today, but if you felt like I gave you any type of value inside of this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right below. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever I do come out with a new video, you're going to get a notification right on your phone, and you'll never miss a video. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one.